So now in the future, when we want to update our dependencies to the latest version that we've specified, in this case, we have just one library, one package, normalize.css, and we want to update it to the latest minor version of the 3 major version, then we can just go to the terminal, make sure that we're in the folder that we want to update, and do bower update. All right. So now that we're using a private package with dependencies in order to download the libraries we want to use, in this case just one, it's still not going to change the location of the files that we download. So if we go back to our file explorer, we'll see that normalize is still in the same place. So earlier, when we went into our index.html file and changed the location of our CSS file, this should still work. And we can test this by going back into our browser, going to our example and refreshing, and making sure that there's no margin around the edge of the body anymore. That was the only indicator we had that we were including normalize.css. So it looks like we're good to go. And the benefit of going through everything that we just did to install Bower and then download normalize CSS as a package is that now we can update to the latest version that we want in order to pull in beneficial changes to the code. It will take just one command line command, and we won't inadvertently download versions that we didn't want. If we continue to use Bower in the future for our front-end packages, then you'll find the amount of time you save and the amount of heartache that you prevent growing with each additional library that we add this way.